Cause you do me that one. It's so fun.